Hello everyone, welcome back to Usermaven. In this video, we're looking at content attribution and how you can understand which pages actually help drive conversions, not just the last page someone clicked. So first, when you're on your dashboard, click on Attribution in the left-hand menu and go to Content. This is where Usermaven shows how different pages contribute to conversions. At the top, the first thing you'll do is select a conversion goal. This can be anything you've already set up, like demo booked, sign up, or purchases. Everything you see below updates based on the goal you choose here. Next, you'll see attribution models. Usermaven offers 6 different attribution models. You can select one or even 2 or 3 at the same time to compare their impact. This helps you understand how page credit changes depending on the attribution model. Right next to that is the look back window. This decides how far back Usermaven looks to give credit to each page before a conversion. You can go back up to the last 365 days or set a custom time period if needed. Then we have the conversion period. Only conversions that happened inside this selected date range are shown. You can choose last month, last quarter, last 6 months, or create a custom range going back a few years. Once that's set, you'll see the content attribution data shown in a bar graph. Each bar represents how many conversions a page receives based on the selected attribution model. This makes it easy to quickly spot which pages are driving results. If you scroll down, you'll also see the same data in a table format. Here you can see all your pages along with influence conversions. Influence conversions mean the page played a role somewhere in the journey, whether it was first touch, last touch, or anything in between. If you scroll horizontally, you'll see columns for the attribution models you selected. This makes it easy to compare how much credit each page gets across different models. If you want to focus on specific pages, just click on the filter icon here. For example, you can filter only blog pages. Now you're seeing how blog posts contribute to conversions. You can also export this data as a CSV if you want to work with it elsewhere. And if you want this delivered automatically, you can schedule reports directly from here. Just give the report a name, select the conversion goal, apply filters, choose daily, weekly, or monthly, and send it to email or Slack. So that's content attribution in Usermaven. It helps you see which pages truly matter across the full customer journey, not just the last click. If you want clearer attribution and reports your team actually understands, try Usermaven.